It's launch day for the mini boat. Everything has been done except for the seat, and we'll put that in when we get down to the dock. So let's get this unloaded and head to the water. And if you just want to put it on that mat that's on the dock.
Okay.
Oops, yeah, watch this. And the sun comes out. That's awesome. Okay. Watch your step, Will, and if you can just put it on that carpet, that'd be great. And you got a pole right under you, Jason. Okay, I do have a cleat here on this side.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start recording.
Okay, go tilt in sideways like a ship.
I just don't want to scrape the bottom against it.
I'll be touched up. Okay, props on the ground, so let's get this shut out. Okay, Rose, we float. Okay, initially it's going to be kind of tippy, and then it should firm up. So when you get in,
I'm going to make it all wet.
It's going to get wet in there. That's late. Go ahead. It's going to tip way over, but then it's going to stop.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Yep.
My foot. My shoe just full.
Okay, get your feet under it.
Can you get my shoe?
And steer.
Is it?
Okay, lean to your right a little bit. Keep your balance to the right. Shift a little bit to the right.
It can't be invisible. You have no potion. Yeah, I'll check it. Check it. Go in the water. Look how my arm is wet. How has it possible? Look, it's invisible.
You've got 5 forward speeds. 5 clicks to the right.
Okay.
That's forward. And 3 to the back, which is reverse. And for the steering, that is straight ahead. That little knob at the top.
Okay, so flip the switch.
Yeah, go to the right, maybe 3, 4 clicks. You can go to 5. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there was one part of the paint in one area, a couple areas that was not setting up. It was still wet, so I'll touch up those.
We are live with Laura.
Oh my gosh, this is fun.
You can lean a little bit, get used to it, throw it around.
I'm terrified to move.
It's more stable than you think.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, drop it down to 3 and then just come on by.
Okay, I'll come back around.
All right, you're getting the hang of it. You figured out the balance.
Figure it out. It's really like.
How is the
Five. Oh yeah, now we're cruising, people.
We're moving.
We're moving.
Wow. Keep in the middle.
That's on 5 right there.
This has to be pretty cool to see all the hard work in the water.
That looks pretty. Beautiful day here. Just had the second group of people go by going, man, that's awesome. So it's a little tender, but you do get used to it. You have to figure out where to put your center of gravity. Yeah, I can get real used to this. This is pretty cool. The battery is reading about 11.7. This is on 5. But if I turn it off, it'll go back to about 12.5. If I shut the motor off, the reading will go back to about 12.5. And that's my dock with the old Venture sailboat over there. This boat is a lot of fun. I've played with different boats, I've made different boats over the years, and this is awesome. Just passed a bunch of people on kayaks who had all kinds of questions. Very, very cool. Very cool.
But I didn't lean back at all because I gotta tell you,
Yeah,
I didn't want to crush anything else.
I understand. Getting out will be interesting. I don't know how to help.
That's okay. It's a problem I come across in a lot.
So try to stay centered as best you can.
Am I gonna get, if I go though, am I gonna get out there and get stranded?
Yeah. No, he's gonna hook you up to the new battery.
Well, I don't know if I want like turbo power.
You're not gonna be turbo.
Just, you know, enough.
Let's dive off one side.
You could
Do that. You all right?
Yeah.